and welcome to our new video on Civol Tutorials channel. Today I will show you how to stop people from seeing that you viewed their profile on TikTok. It is quite simple but also quite complicating option, but let's get right into it. First thing that we need to check is actually if our TikTok is the newest version. As you can see, mine is. If it is, you can open it. Now, this new option, here are profile views if you have any, but it isn't interesting to us now. Click on this settings option. As you can see, profile view history is turned on. If my profile view history is turned on, then I can see who is viewing my profile, but others can see that I'm viewing their profile as well. If I turn this off, I can see who viewed my profile, but also no one can see that I have viewed their profile. So yeah, you will lose this option to view who viewed your profile, but you will stop people from seeing that you viewed theirs also. So yeah, I hope that you understand, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Until next one, wish you all the best. Bye.